Hi, Sarah from Finer Country, and today you join me on Hermitage Way in the sought after town of Kenilworth, within easy walking distance to the town centre with all of its amenities. Kenilworth is situated close to the Warwick University and the A46 and M40 road network, and has the added benefit of the new train station for commuting further afield. The property is an immaculately presented 3-bedroom detached family home with garage and has great potential to extend further. So come with me, let's take a look inside. Thank you for watching the video, and if you would like any further information or to book a viewing, please contact me on the details that follow.